friends, this week we're going to talk about shapes. So we have two types of shapes. We have two-dimensional shapes and we have three-dimensional shapes. Today we're going to talk about two-dimensional or 2D shapes. They have a front and a back. They don't have any volume to them. Okay, let's do the first one, which is an easy one. We all know this shape. Where is it? Where is that shape that I don't know? Here, we have a square. A square is a two-dimensional shape. It has four sides, four angles, and four vertices. So an angle is where the two corners meet. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. And the sides, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. It also has four vertices, which are the lines in which they meet. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, excuse me, I have hiccups today. So a square has four of everything. Let's do the next one. Next one, close to a square. Oh, another hiccup, sorry. Is a rectangle. Rectangle has the same amount as a square. It's just kind of a square stretched out a little bit. Next, after a rectangle, we have a trapezoid. A trapezoid is kind of like a square squeezed on the top. This has two ones that are equal, one long and one short. This one also has four sides, four angles, and four vertices. Next one that kind of looks like a square, but it's not, and kind of looks like a diamond, but it's not, and kind of looks like a rectangle inside, and kind of looks like a trapezoid and it's not, is a parallelogram. That's a big word, parallelogram. It has four sides, four angles, and four vertices. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, the same as a square. So these four, actually no, there's one more. Sorry, I messed up. The last one is a rhombus or a diamond. We see this and we think diamond, but another word for it is rhombus. A rhombus also has four angles, four sides, and four vertices. So a rhombus, a parallelogram, trapezoid, square, and rectangle all fall into the category of a parallelogram. A parallelogram, sorry, it's a hard word, is a two-dimensional shape that has four sides, four squares, four sides, four angles, and four vertices. That vertex keeps messing me up. So these four things all fall under the category of a parallelogram. Parallelogram, that's a big word. Four sides, four sides, four sides, four sides, four angles, four everything. So a parallelogram has four of everything. Let's do the next one. This right here is a triangle. Tri means three. This one's two-dimensional too. And it has three of everything. So it has three angles, 1, 2, 3, three sides, 1, 2, 3, and three vertices, 1, 2, 3. Next one, moving up from 3, we skip 4 to go to the parallelograms. Next, we have a pentagon. A pentagon doesn't have 3, doesn't have 4, it has 5 sides. So it's 5 of everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You guys starting to see the theme or the thing that's in common? All the two-dimensional shapes have the same amount of sides, angles, and vertices. Next one. After 5, what comes after 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The one that has 6 in it is a hexagon. Another two-dimensional shape that has a front and a back that has 6 of everything. 6 angles, 6 sides, and 6 vertices. After 6, what comes after 6? 7, which is a heptagon. A heptagon has 7 sides. And you see that they're all even. The square, the hexagon, the pentagon, the heptagon, heptagon all have equal, excuse me, oh no, 3 has equal size, just like a triangle. I sneezed a triangle, I sneezed 3 times. So a heptagon, a pentagon, and a heptagon, a pentagon, and a hexagon all have equal amounts of everything. Next, after that, after 7 comes 8, which is an octagon. It falls in the same category as those. This has 8 sides, 8 angles, and 8 verti, so 8 of everything, and they're all even. Next, we're going to go to the ones that don't have any of those. They don't have sides or angles or vertices because they're round. This is a circle. Technically, a circle has 360 different corners, but they're so stretched out that you can't really tell. Same thing with an oval. An oval is just kind of a stretched out circle. All right. So those are all our shapes. Let's go over them one more time. Go over the new word that we learned. Parallelogram. Parallelogram is any shape that has 4 sides, 4 angles, and 4 vertices. So all the things that fall into parallelogram are, where are they? Most famous one is a square. A square, 4 sides equal. Then a rectangle has 1, 2, 3, 4, but it only has 2 sides that are equal. Next one is a rhombus. That's 4 sides that are equal. It's a stretched out. And a trapezoid has 2 sides that are equal and 2 that are stretched. So a rhombus and a square are kind of the same because they have 4 equal sides. And a trapezoid and a rectangle are kind of the same because they have 2 equal sides and 2 equal sides. All right. And they all fall into the parallelogram. Next one is a triangle that has equal sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. But they also have triangles that are shaped differently. This one doesn't have any right angles, which means it's straight up and down. You guys aren't going to learn about angles for another couple of years when you guys get older, when you go to geometry. But it's still fun to learn about. Next one is we have all the agons. So we have a hexagon, which has 6 of everything. Then we have a pentagon that has 5 of everything. Oop, I skipped. I went from 6 to 5. It's okay. Then we have a heptagon that has 7 of everything. Then we have an octagon that has 8 of everything. And then we have a circle and an oval. They don't have any corners, no angles, no vertices, and no sides. All right, guys? Those are all 2-dimensional shapes. Next video, tomorrow, is going to be the 3-dimensional shapes. Okay? I'll talk to you guys later. And don't forget, for our Zoom tomorrow, we're going to bring in pictures of shapes. You could bring anything you want. You could bring a 2-dimensional shape or a 3-dimensional shape. I'm going to tell you guys about 3-dimensional later. All right, I miss you guys. Bye.